Android users, kindly turn off these secret settings that the developers intentionally hide from you because it tracks your location even when the location service is turned off. Not only that, it can also send a bunch of information from you to your developers without your permission, and it also listens to your voice
and tracks your locations.
Let's go to the screen to show you how to achieve this.
To deactivate this, you have to come to your phone settings and scroll up to Google, launch it, and then click on all services and scroll up to search assistant and voice. Click on it and click on privacy and safety. Come to add personalization and it will open this way. Here you will realize that they have information about your gender, age, language, and if you scroll up you will see that they also have information about your relationship, education background, industry, employers, hometown, and the rest. And if you scroll up again, you will notice that they have the log and record of your activities on site and application you have visited with that phone. And the second one, you will realize that they have the record of all your activities on YouTube, the things you have searched on YouTube and all the videos, everything you've done on your YouTube, they have the record of it. And the most important aspect of it is that they have also the track record of all the places you have been with that earphone. Now, if you care about your privacy, this is what you will do. Scroll up like this and come to personalized add and click on that add button. Come down to turn off and click on turn off. With this, they will never access your information and send it to the developers without your permission any longer. So if you love this very tutorial, why won't you subscribe to our channel for more tech tips like this?